Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So have you ever wanted to know what you can do to become a vendor at Home Depot? I love working with Home Depot. They are great when it comes to, once again, small businesses, minority businesses, woman-owned businesses. They are fantastic. So if you want to know what you need to do to become a vendor and clean their over 2,300 stores, then stay tuned in this video. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. You ready? Let's go. The first thing you need to make sure of is that you have a website. Like most of the ones I've given you for becoming a vendor at some of the larger stores, which is what you want to aim for, you absolutely want to have a website. No excuses, really simple to actually put together a website. You can do it. If you need any assistance doing that, please reach out to us. I'll give you away in a minute. The second thing you want to make sure of is that you have all your basic requirements. Your business is registered with your state. You want to make sure that you have your insurance, get everything looking good, because the two-step process for doing a vendor sheet with Home Depot is very simple, probably the most simple of anything I've seen. In the description and on our Facebook, you're going to see exactly where you can go to download. I think there may be 9 questions. They ask you for your business name, how long you've been in business, your website. They ask you, what is your locality? Where do you want to service them? They have all kinds of positions for doing cleaning contracts, for servicing them as a vendor, a cleaning company. One of the main ones is the floors. Absolutely a great one. And they also need vendors to do their restroom cleaning. And when they have general cleaning in those large warehouses, which are one of my favorite, you can also look at winning a cleaning contract as a vendor with Home Depot. Like I said, no matter where you are in the US or Canada, and I think even in Mexico, they have over 2,300 stores. So don't miss out on anything. Let's get started. Make sure you click the link in the description. It's going to give you the download. When you go to download, it's going to give you the download form. I think there's, like I said, 9 questions you go through. And then within 60 days, they're going to respond to you in 60 days. I absolutely loved working with them. One of the best moves that I made to get me to what? 6 figures and beyond. How? So if you're looking at being able to do that, then make sure you click and learn what you need to do. Very simple process, 2 steps. Fill out the information, upload it to the address I have there for you. You're going to email it, and voila, within 60 days of submitting it, make sure you write down that date. You can easily get feedback. They're going to let you know something within 60 days. That's what I love. Some, they'll just say kind of submit it, and if we need you, we'll get back with you. But they're definitely going to look at giving you information. And I think they let you know either way, whether they need you or they don't. One of the great things I like about doing business with Home Depot as a vendor. If you want to know more information, you know what to do. If you want to learn how to scale your business using government cleaning contracts, then make sure you click the link to attend our Masterclass, our free workshop Masterclass on Wednesdays. And if you want to learn all about commercial, you know what you can do. You can do the same thing. You can click the link to actually attend our free workshop where we talk about from start to scratch. I'm always about the 5 business systems, which are admin, sales, marketing, leadership, and operations. Anything you need to set up your systems, whether you're doing government or commercial, you need those 5 systems. So stop waiting. Make sure you take action today. Click in the description to register. And if you love this video and you like knowing about places to actually become vendors for large corporations, give me a 2 thumbs up or a thumb up. I think there's 1 or 2. Either way, give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this type of content. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.